only way to get to the top?
Well, you can walk.
But not by car.
Takes about 3.5 hours. Yeah, you have two different trains. One from here and one from the lake, and they meet on top. They're both trains there. So when we come to the top, you see the other train coming down, and that's the only two trains they're going up. Yeah, they end at the same station, but the one starts in Fitznau at the lake, and this one starts in Goldau, the train station.
So no way up by car.
No, it's also there is a road, but it's forbidden. It's just for the people that are living here. But even then, it's not allowed to drive up. No. Also for the restaurants and all that stuff, we bring all the food up by train.
Wow.
Yeah, in the morning there's another car in front, and there's all the stuff for the mountain. And the skiers. In winter you can ski. And sledge. And yeah, that's also quite nice.
How many more stations are there until the top?
3. So 2 stations and then it's the top.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You'll see actually the top here on the right hand side.
Wow.
There's where the big buildings are. And there is one station, and the small one is coming up here. Yeah, that's all the way up there. Yeah. Take a tour like that. Yes. The whole trip is about 45 minutes to go up. So in Japan you have miles or kilometers?
Yes.
Okay. So there are some cars that have 1 million kilometers on it, and one weighs just 8.5. So they drove up about 60,000 times up and down in about 50 years or so, because they are really old. This one is about, I would say, 50 to 60 years old.
Wow. In Japan, like a train that's about 40 years old would be, well, discommissioned and...
Yeah.
Wow.
We have the oldest running electricity train is from 1911.
Wow.
And it's still running day by day if it has to. And the newest are from this year. We have new trains. You will see one, I guess, coming down on the other side. And they are from Stadler Rail, and they are brand new. Last year they changed it. So, okay. You heard that signal?
Yeah.
That was a signal from my friend, and he told me I can drive. So we don't have to stop because no one's there.